I take a shot for you and everything we did and everything we once was in that relationship. Everything was straight when we both started. I didn't think I'd see the day when it's us breaking apart. So I'm drinking every weekend, speaking all dessert, staring at my phone when it will ever cold. Tell you how I feel, my pain never healed. Everything feels out of place and crooked, and I think a part of me was broken when I let you go, thinking we could never take things slow. But 1 week is passing, you ain't found another guy. Oh, I should've known. You're in college, right? You probably met someone at some fucked up party, right? I saw you coming, but chose to ignore every second of it. And I hope that we can find each other's love for each other and restore it. But you've been at it scoring, you're scoring like it's a game. And I'm just sitting back like, well, fucking things change, and there ain't shit I can do about it. But take the blame for the bullshit arguments we had, and I can't deny it. I made my mistakes, but I was trying to face them, and now it's too late. So I guess this is it, my final words to you. I really do wish the best for you. Even if it hurts me and you, I hope you find something better to do. One that deserves you. If you doubt what I can never do and show you what's worth when it works. Imagine love without a struggle. It's happiness and peace when a couple will never crumble. I've heard here and there, but the sound is so subtle. Cause love remains humble and it was since you rumble. And I promise you, you won't get to forget my name. When you needed help, I was the one who fucking came. I was the one to pick you up when you shook up in your tears. I was the one that took you back and left you all this pain. Remember that? All that bullshit you said? You loved me to death, but you loved another Jew instead? I came back. Now what you give me comes from what you regret. You can have it, sincerely your love, that was never meant to be.